So how do we create a USB bootable flash drive for your Windows 11? So in order to do that, you have to download this media creation tool. So it is available on its official website. So you can manually search for the media creation tools for Windows 11 on Google search. You just download it from the official website. It is safe, and even I have left the link in the video description. In case at some point of time link do not work, you can search manually on internet and download it from the official website. After you download, just click on it, give a double click on it, and then you want to choose yes, give the permission, and just wait for a while. It is getting ready. So now you just gonna accept the terms and conditions, read it properly, and it is getting ready. Now you can see here I have an option. It's an English language, Windows 11. Uncheck the box and you can choose the different language, whichever language you want. And here is the Windows 11. So you can uncheck the box and choose it. Click on next. Since I want the USB flash drive, I'll choose the first one. You need at least 8 GB pen drive. So make sure your flash drive is at least 8 GB. Or if you want the ISO file, you choose the second one. You can see I have a removable drive, one over there in the E drive with no label. I'm gonna choose that, and now it's gonna take some time. It is progressing, so you just have to wait until and unless you are done completely. So it might take some time, so you just walk around and come. Okay guys, you can see USB flash is ready. Now we'll finish it. Here we see, I can see my pen drive is USB bootable flash drive is ready with Windows 11 operating system. Now you can use it to install.